Hello students, welcome back to our channel M.Tech Online. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we'll be going to discuss the syllabus for the entrance examination syllabus for CSIR-CFTRI, that is Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore, for the course that is M.Sc in Food Technology. So in my previous video, I have shared the information, the notification which has been released out by the CFTRI. So for your reference, I'll attach the link in the description box. So now let us proceed with the syllabus. So the syllabus for the entrance test for MSc, in this the question paper, it will contain short and objective type questions on the topic. So there will be total of 11 subjects and there will be a balanced distribution of each questions, means from each subject there will be a balanced questions listed, so that various students who are eligible in various streams, they'll get the equal opportunity to score on the test. So the subjects covered are physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, microbiology, biochemistry and nutrition, agriculture and dairy technology, and the so in physics, you have to go through the elements of mechanics, colligative properties, laws of thermodynamics. So laws of thermodynamics, it is important, the definition part over here. Modes of heat transfer, electrostatic, magnetism, electrodynamics, outlines in optics, sounds, electromagnetic radiations, radioactives and elements in quantum physics. Second, in chemistry, you have to go through the gas laws, the properties of gases, the electrolytes, the equilibrium constant, the chemical kinetics. Then over here, pH concepts and buffer. Over here, this is important. Then molecular orbital theory, that is MOT, chemical bonds, forces involved therein, the periodic tables, aliphatic, aromatic hydrocarbons, organic substitution reactions, electrophilic reactions, nucleophilic reactions, isomerism, food chemistry, then mono, disaccharides, reducing sugars, non-reducing sugars, what is mutarotation, the definition part is important, starch, cellulose, pectins, plant acids, then primary, secondary, tertiary structures of proteins, protein denaturations, saturated, unsaturated fatty acids. So carbohydrate, fat, and protein, the chemistry of these, it is important. Next, in mathematics section, so in mathematics section, you have to cover the theory of quadratic equations, binomial theorem, uses of natural and common logarithms, trigonometry, ratios, their relations, basics of matrices, vectors and determinants. So over here, this quadratic equations, matrices, vectors and determinants, this is important, and the concept what you have read in your class 11 and 12 standard, that is enough. Next, the biology section. In biology, botany, systematics of plants, ecology, cytology, nucleic acids in their role in life, elements, genetic organizations of animal tissues, then elements in human physiology, endocrine glands, digestions, absorption, respiration, general physiology of animals, systematics of animals. This is what you have also read in your 11-12 also. Next, coming on to the fifth topic, that is microbiology. So in microbiology, history of historical development in microorganisms. So this part is important, plus this is easy. So over here, what you have to do, you have to just mug up the names of the scientists and the discoveries, few important ones, and the discoveries which they did in their lifespan. This is important. Morphology, cytology, reproductions, genetics of bacteria, yeast, mold, culture technique. So culture technique, this is important. Staining technique, this is important. Difference between gram negative, gram positive bacteria is too important. Growth, nutrition, physiology of microorganisms, control, food safety, general principles in food preservations, microbiological standards, these are important. Next, biochemistry and nutrition. So in this, enzyme, hormones, cofactors, coenzymes, these are important. Elements of carbohydrate, fats and protein, it is important. This is too important, the elements. Then elements of photosynthesis, vitamins. So vitamins and the diseases which are caused due to the lack of these or deficiencies of these vitamins, it is too important. Minerals and their functions in the body, elements of protein synthesis, RDA, nutritional deficiencies, it is important. Micronutrients, their role in our health, it is important. Next, what is PKU? What PKU over here, it stands for phenylketonuria disease. So it is a rare inherited disorder. Next, CVD, that is cardiovascular diseases. Then diabetes, these are important. Next, that is this agriculture and dairy technology. So in this agriculture, weather, crops, soil, water sources, soil and water conservation methods, soil fertility and fertilizers. So what are the types of fertilizers, the basics one that are used, then the cropping patterns, what are the weed control methods, then diseases which are caused by them, insect, pests and nematodes of crop, agricultural engineering, agriculture marketing and storage, farm management, field crops, plantation crops, commercial crops, horticultural crops. Okay. Next, in dairy science, you have to go through the cattle management, diseases of cattle, chemistry of milk, and microbiology of milks, the bacteria that can cause the milk to spoil. Okay. Next, the standards of milk. This is important. Next, in food engineering, unit dimension conversions, fundamentals. So over here, units and dimensions converted into SG, CGS unit or SI unit. Okay. Pressure, energy, head relationships, their measurement, emulsions. So what are the types of emulsions? Water in oil or oil in water. They can give you the name like butter or milk. It is oil in water or water in oil. You have to just write it down. Basics one, basic concepts. They just want to know your basic is strong or not. Next, the basics of mixing, equipments, application, mechanical operation, size reduction, sieve analysis, centrifugal, steam generators, power generators, then strength of materials. Okay. Next, the ninth one, that is food technology. So in food technology, Maillard reaction, engineering of foods, preservation. So this Maillard Browning reaction is important. Then methods like preservation methods like drying, pasteurization, canning, concentration, freezing, infant foods, geriatric food. So what is geriatric nutrition? So it's all about eating a healthy or a balanced diet so that whatever nutrient your body needs, so that it can get from that diet. Next, sport foods, convalescent foods. So what is convalescent food? So it's all about that assists the body in healing or primarily by providing nutrients that are essential for healing in their rapid absorbable forms. Next, number 10, that is horticulture. So global scenario of horticulture crops, divisions, horticulture area and productions, export, import, classification of horticulture crops, nutritive values of horticulture crops, horticulture therapy, horticulture zones of India. So you should know the zones names. Okay. Horticulture development agencies, soils, climatic factors of on crop productions, influence of soil, physical chemical properties, climatic factors, lightning, temperature, photoperiod, relative humidity, rainfall, microclimate, pollution, influence of biotic abiotic stresses on crop pollution. The last topic, that is home science. So in home science, human development and nutrition during their lifespan, that is from the pregnancy to infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood and older adulthood, fundamentals of sociology, society, culture, structure, functions, interrelationships, their scopes, community health, consumer studies, health education, home management, their meaning, concept, families, family meaning, functions, life cycles, management, responsibilities of family members. So over here we have seen the syllabus, and the syllabus is too vast. Do not try to go in deep in all these, or else your syllabus will not get complete on time. Just make your basics strong over here. So if you have still not installed our app, that is FoodTech Online, you can install the app. Link is in the description box for you all. If you are preparing for any food related examinations, CUET PG, FCI, Food Analyst, GATE 2025 or Central Food Safety Officer examination, so different sections are there. So clicking one section, you will get subject related topics, question answers. You can practice these questions and enhance your preparation. Hoping that you find this video beneficial. You can share this video with your friends. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for further videos. Till then, thank you and enjoy learning.